Okay, so you've come to find out more. When we were looking at the countries and where we come from, when people come from, there were two different ways of saying I come from. Io sono di or io vengo da. But how does that create the dalla Germania or dagli Stati Uniti? Well, let me try to explain to you. If we're using the sono di, if the country, in front of the country, the definite article is il, we take the di and we add the il and they join together to make one word. So if you come from il Belgio and you want to say you're from that country, you'd say io sono del Belgio. Similar thing happens with somewhere like Germania. The definite article is la, so the di plus the la becomes della, and so it's della Germania. For Inghilterra, because Inghilterra starts with a vowel, we use D-E-double-L, and it becomes dell'Inghilterra. And for the United States, the definite article is gli, so we have D plus gli making degli. So we have degli Stati Uniti. Now the other option we had was the verb venire and using vengo, I come. So we're using io vengo da, I come from. So a similar thing happens. You take the preposition da and you add il and it becomes dal. So now we're saying I come from Belgio is vengo dal Belgio. For Germany, la Germania, da plus la becomes dalla. So we have dalla Germania. Da plus the L apostrophe that comes in front of Inghilterra becomes dal apostrophe, and you have dall'Inghilterra. And the gli that sits in front of Stati Uniti, we add da plus gli and we get dagli Stati Uniti. Don't worry too much about this. This is something that we'll look at in later courses.